Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Southwest Scale Hobby Time. Got another unboxing for you. Like I said, I'm just going through my collection for you guys, and then maybe we can vote on what I'm going to do next as far as builds go. My limitations are definitely not just cars. I like to do scale house, all kinds of stuff. So let me know what you guys want to see. But what we have right here is a Studio 27 multimedia, full multimedia MP4 19B 2004 F1 kit. I don't know if you notice a trend here, but I kind of like GP cars, or Grand Prix cars as they call them. Not very popular here in the US considering the racing stopped here, but would love to see it come back. Anyway, this was, I think I got this, I got it off eBay, actually. I want I got it for pretty cheap, if I remember right. That's the only reason I actually even have it. I think I won a bid on this for like 50 bucks or something, and these kits are worth a lot more than that. Let's go ahead and get into it. All these Studio 27 multimedia kits come with this thinner bubble wrap. I like these. These are cool. Isn't that a cool foamy thing? You know, when I was little or smaller, or younger, they used to tell me that these were like Cheetos, and I don't, you know, I never believed them, and I highly doubt it that these are edible. But you can leave a comment, let me know, you know, if you choose to eat these things or not. Anyway, here's the decals. You can see basic, pretty small decal set. There wasn't a whole lot of decals on this actual car anyway. Instruction booklet. Looks like you got your featherweight sheet. Looks like the belts. Some pieces of the wings. Some other small pieces. Looks like the steering wheel, the shifters. It looks like the paddles, probably. White metal parts. And some instructions. Look, you start. Just putting the body right on the bottom. Wow, okay. To add some of the aero, front wing, rear wing, front axles, front torsion bars, suspension, under tray assembly, front section assembly, and attaching all the body parts. Not many steps in these at all. And a decal reference sheet. Look at these. Here's the before the groove tires. The kits of that era. Not kits of that era. Cars of that era. GP cars. Move these fluffies. Move my Cheetos. Hey, look, this one really does look like a Cheeto. Here we have the body. The body is made out of resin. Under tray. Fairly crisp, it needs some cleaning up. Now look at the lines on that bad boy, man. It's pretty cool. Definitely needs some cleaning up, but sharp that is. Turn metal rims. Seat. Turn metal parts. Where is my razor blade? Just redid my whole desk, and now what did I do with my knives? Where are my scalpels? Looks like a dry transfer, possibly. A lot of metal parts. Photo etch. Some rivets, the belts. All the way metal parts. You can see they definitely, these all require quite a bit of cleaning. And if you want to get the scale right, you're going to need to thin down some of these pieces. It's not going to look right having this big old giant thick piece of metal on this thing. Brake. Come on, focus. Brake disc. It's fully assembled, so that's kind of cool. The trick is getting all these back in the box. Little steering wheel. Oops. That's going to be fun to get that fitted without a gap. I'll just say that right now. That is a bad joint, but that's why we model, right? Is to actually model. So I don't know if you guys know this, fun fact, modeling is actually one of the oldest hobbies of all time. We've been modeling things for thousands of years. Attempt to not snap these little thingies off, wings off the end of it. That's how that's going to work out for now. Times right there. There you go. That's it. That's the Studio 27 120 scale MP4 19B. Thanks, guys and girls.